Dear children, yesterday I was taught you resources and development in geography lesson. Now look page number 169, resources planning India. कल इसके पहले हमने यूटिलाइजेशन रिसोर्सेज ऑफ प्लानिंग के पढ़ाया था. अब रिसोर्सेज ऑफ प्लानिंग में ही भारत में क्या है स्थिति उसके बारे में देखें. Resources planning involves the following: identification and quantification of the variable resources, identification and quantification of the available resources, and second, planning of resources development that would be consistent with overall national development plan. In a country like India, which has enormous resources available, some regions are self-sufficient in terms of resources, while some other regions suffer from acute shortage of some vital resources. कहने का मतलब क्या है? आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड क्वांटिफिकेशन ऑफ अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज. भारत में जो भी उपलब्ध संसाधन हैं उनका पहले जानकारी करना और उनकी गुणवत्ता और मात्रा, क्वांटिटेटिव मात्रा के बारे में पता करना. फिर उसकी प्लानिंग करना है. क्या प्लानिंग ऑफ रिसोर्सेज डेवलपमेंट, उनका कैसे विकसित किया जाए. अब द वुड बी कंसिस्ट विद द ओवरऑल नेशनल डेवलपमेंट प्लान, जिससे देश का विकास हो सके. तो हर किसी तरह से पूर्ण रूप से जिससे देश का विकास हो सके, ऐसा प्लानिंग करना है. इन अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया विच हैज़ इनॉर्मस रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल, जो भी भारत में साधन पाए जाते हैं, some regions are self-sufficient in terms of resources, वो अपने में सेल्फ सफिशिएंट है. लेकिन while some other regions suffer from acute shortage, कुछ ऐसे भी स्थान हैं जहाँ पर इनका शॉर्टेज नहीं पाए जाते हैं. acute shortage of some vital resources. Below is given the position of state showing how the resources are unevenly distributed. States like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh are rich in coal and minerals, but they lack in technological and institutional support, as well as suffer from land degradation. Arunachal Pradesh has abundant water resources, but it lacks in infrastructure development. Rajasthan is endowed with the wind and solar energy, but it lacks water resources. Some states like Punjab, Haryana have a poor resource base, but they are economically developed. The cold desert of Ladakh lacks internal resources, but it has rich cultural heritage. Thus, the various limitations and differences in resource distribution demands balanced resources planning from national to local level for assuring equitable and healthy development. Conservation of resources. Conservation of resources implies protection and preservation of resources is known as conservation. संसाधनों की रक्षा एवं सुरक्षा करना, जिससे आगे भविष्य में उनका उपयोग में लाया जा सके, इस तरह व्यवस्थित करना कंजर्वेशन कहलाता है. जो उपलब्ध संसाधन हैं उनकी सुरक्षा एवं रक्षा करना, जिससे हम भविष्य में उनका सही उपयोग कर सकें, वो कंजर्वेशन कहलाता है. मेथड. द मेथड ऑफ कंजर्वेशन वैरी फ्रॉम वन रिसोर्स टू अनदर. Some common methods of conservation are sustainable use are using resources efficiently to be used by future generations. Treatment of wastage like recycling and checking irrational consumption and overutilization. Some example are the Vishnoi tribe of Rajasthan has helped many wildlife and bird sanctuary in conserving plants and animals. Similarly, the scientists working in the regional research laboratory at Jammu have helped in conserving many rare Himalayan flowers. The farmer in a village in western Uttar Pradesh made their own contribution and construction a check dam which helped to conserve underground water resources. Their wells now hold water throughout the year. International initiatives for conservation of resources, Club of Rome, गांधी जी, फिर है स्मैचर, ब्रॉन्डलैंड कमीशन, वो समिति, ये आपके इसमें बताए गए हैं। क्लब ऑफ रोम क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या कहता है? इन अप्रैल 1968 क्लब ऑफ रोम, अ ग्रुप ऑफ एकेडमियंस, सिविल सोसाइटी, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट इट advocated for resources conservation in a systematic way. गांधी जी philosophy advocated for the sustainable use of resources, मतलब इन लोगों ने संसाधनों के उचित उपयोग पर बल दिया है, अनावश्यक इनका बर्बाद न किया जाए, इनके बारे में सब दिया गया है। अब लैंड रिसोर्सेज के बारे में देखें। इट इज़ द लैंड दैट सस्टेन अस, we live on land, we perform our economic activities on land, and we make use of it in different ways. In this way, land is a natural resource of almost importance. It supports the natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport and communication system. However, land is of finite magnitude. As such, it is important to use the available land for various purposes with the careful planning. Land variety of features. India has land under the variety of relief features. These are mountain, plateau, plains and iceland. Classification of land. About 43% of the land area is plain, which provides facilities for agriculture and industry. Second, mountain account for 30% of the total surface area of the country. They ensure perennial flow of some rivers, provide facilities for tourists and ecological assets. About 27% of the area of the country is the plateau region. It possesses rich reserve of mineral, fossil fuel and forests. Utilization of land. The land resources are used for following purpose: forest, land not available for cultivation. This is two kinds, barren and wastelands. Second है land put to non-agriculture uses like building, roads, factories, etc. Third number है other uncultivated lands, excluding forest lands. Under this category came land of two kinds, permanent pasture and grazing lands. Third है land under the miscellaneous trees, crops, groves. Third है cultivable wastelands. Fourth है fallow lands. These are two types, current flow and other the current flow. Current flow में the left without cultivation for one or less than one agriculture year. Current flow में left cultivation for the past first to fifth agriculture years. Net sown area is the area that sown once in a year. The area that is sown more than one in an agricultural year plus the net sown area is known as the gross cropped area. Land use pattern now next day. Thanks.